Hey guys, how to create and use Memoji on your iPhone. For this, go to the Messages, here start a new message, and in the bar choose Memojis. Then tap plus to create a new Memoji, and let's get started. We can choose a skin color, then we can choose freckles, then we can choose our cheeks, color of cheeks and type of cheeks, beauty spot, and we can choose hairstyle. Here we can choose a color, then we can choose hairstyle. Next we can choose brows, choose our brows, then choose eyes, select eyes, then head, nose, then mouth, ears, facial hair, eyewear, headgear, clothing, and after that in right upper corner tap done. Now it's our individual emoji, and we can chat with our Memoji, choose our Memoji, add command, and send it to our friend. Also starting with the iPhone X, you can use the created Memoji when communicating in FaceTime. I hope this video was helpful. Like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you soon.